I am known as Dallas Danialu. Nice meeting you, sir.
Oh, nice. Nice meeting you too.
By the way, that green you never ask why green color.
Yeah, why green?
It's very symbolic for the Telugu song you sang, no? Pachani Thota.
Right. Correct. Also, Dania is green, so that's a great thing. Yeah. I
Yes,
also
yes.
love green, by the way.
Awesome. High five.
High five.
Okay. By the way, a happy birthday in advance to you. I know your birthday is in July only. 31st, no?
Yes, 31st July. That's right.
Then I can trust your Wikipedia. And happy
Thank you.
Ugadi.
Happy Ugadi, happy Gudi Padwa, and happy Chaitra Nakshatra to you and all your listeners and watchers.
Awesome. Thank you. Welcome to this Zoom session. You are currently being interviewed for Radio Sangam. It's a Telugu radio channel.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Don't worry. We will surely ask you to sing a few Telugu songs.
Absolutely.
Okay. You have such a wonderful voice, sir.
Thank you. Andariki namaskaram.
Abba. Sundara Telugu. So please sing for us a few lines of any Telugu song that you have sung before, or like all celebrities say, a song that is close to your dil.
Yes, I'll definitely do that. I would like to start with the very first song that you also mentioned, Pachani Tota.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Can I also chip in if my voice cooperates?
Absolutely. Definitely. Please do. పచ్చని తోట పసరుల తావి నిషిద్ధి మౌనోని ప్రేమగానం పౌర్ణమి రే పొగ మంచు అడవి ఒంటరిగా వెళ్ళే నీ తోటి పయనము ఇది మాత్రం చాలు ఇవి మాత్రమే నాకింకా చాలు నువ్వు మాత్రమే ఇవి మాత్రం చాలు ఇవి మాత్రమే నాకింకా చాలు నువ్వు మాత్రమే
అబ్బో నా కోసమే పాడినట్టుంది
పసరుల తావి సింగ్ విత్ మీ
అబ్బా
నిషిద్ధి మౌనోని
నీ
ప్రేమగానం. Wow, beautiful.
And I just sang 0.3 seconds. What is this?
That's good enough to make an impression. That was pitch and very nice.
Luckily, I didn't cause you depression. I'm happy for that.
It was very nice.
Okay, awesome. So now they asked me to ask you a few questions, okay, which
Yes,
I will ask
yes.
in my style.
Okay.
Disclaimer, you cannot get angry with me at any point, but
Okay.
you can laugh when you feel like it, okay? Take it easy,
All
best
right.
policy.
I'll try not to, yes.
Awesome. You have insurance for your throat?
I have?
Huh? Really?
What was the question?
You have insurance for your throat, huh?
Insulin.
Insurance.
No, I don't, but insurance.
Insurance
No,
for your throat.
I don't.
You should get one.
Good idea. I should encash on that.
Okay, so Abhayji, let's start our questions. Where is Abhay more dangerous? In the studio, on the stage, or in the bathroom?
I would say I'm more dangerous in the bathroom. Yeah,
You'll do
because I lose
experiments.
track of time. Yes, kind of.
Can I interrupt as his manager?
Yes.
Oh yeah. So his
manager.
manager is interrupting. Bhai, anything which
Huh.
doesn't involve the studio or anything, Abhay is destructive.
Oh, he's disruptive, huh?
Yeah.
Destructive.
He said destructive.
Oh, destructive.
Yeah.
Ayyo.
Yeah.
Of course, no. He
I
destroyed
try
our
not
hearts
to be-
also.
I
Yeah,
try
he
not to.
destroyed that shit. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's very sweet. He's my manager. He always tends to be very supportive. Anyway, so
I
yeah,
love-
to answer your question, I think bathroom is where I'm singing without any inhibitions and sometimes yelling on top of my lungs and doing my riyaz, and sometimes I don't even realize how much time has passed. So yeah, to answer your question, bathroom.
That's everyone's favorite place. Ideas just come flowing, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so
Non-stop.
next, if you could give a flavor for your voice, what would it be? Biryani,
Ooh.
filter coffee, chocolate cake, or anything else?
I would say Inji tea, if you know, like ginger tea, right? So I think ginger tea is my favorite, and it's like my all-time favorite. So I think I would call it that.
Oh, wow. I wanted to say honey butter will fit perfectly, but it's okay. Inji tea is good too.
Thank
Good for the throat.
Yes.
Next, this is very common question everyone will ask everyone. So I also will ask you. If you never become singer, what will you be doing?
I think I would have been a photographer or a videographer or a painter because these are all my hobbies. Yeah.
Artist in every way possible. Super.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Singers have this thing, some don't drink cold drinks or breathe oxygen. What about you? You have any rules like that?
No. I love breathing oxygen without that. I can't be alive. But no, I don't have any restrictions like that. But I try to avoid things that I'm allergic to and cold things before the concert or before a recording. But otherwise, yeah, I think the more sensitive you get, you oversensitize your throat. So nothing like that.
Do you have like a cheat day after you have a good stage show? Like I'm going to have an entire tub of ice cream today. Do you have anything like that?
Nothing like that. But after the show, like I usually eat well after my show because before the show, I usually, try to be empty stomach and have my NGT. And once the show is over, once the recording is over, then I fill up my stomach with a really nice meal. And I love dal khichdi, which my manager also like kind of likes it. Both of us are vegetarian. So
Awesome,
dal
awesome.
We
khichdi is
love it.
our food jam. Yeah.
All the good dal boys. So you answered my next question already. You said you have inji tea before you sing, no? With milk or without milk?
With milk.
So that's
But
how
a
you
little
keep your... Okay. So that's how you keep your voice very healthy and smooth, huh?
Probably, yeah. And there's also a secret ingredient called samahan, which I don't know if you know about.
I know.
But samahan is just herbal. You know about it, right?
My mummy will
So I
torture
mix
me
that.
to drink that when I get cold.
Yeah, that's very good for your body. So that I mix that with my inji tea or coffee before the show. It, really does the magic. Yeah.
Wow, you have opened my mind and my nose. Next question. Who is
Yes.
your idol when it comes to music?
Shreya Ghoshal.
Awesome. Any of her favorite song that you can sing a few lines for us?
So many, but on top of my mind right now, does it have to be in Telugu or it can be any other language?
Preferably Telugu, but if no choice, then any language is music also.
Because all her songs that I've heard, I mean, a lot of them are in Telugu also. But there's a song called Munbeva, which is also there in Telugu. So I
Yeah,
think
Preminche Premava. Yes.
Preminche Premava, yeah. Preminche Premava, Urinva, Uireva,
ஆடடா தமிழ்ல பாடுங்களே.
Munbeva, Anbeva, Pupomvai, Pupomva. நான் கேட்டேன் என்னை நானே நானியா நெஞ்சம் சொன்னதே முன்பே வா நண்பே வா உடே வா உயிரே வா.
சும்மா கூப்பிட்டாலே வந்துருவேன். இப்படி நீங்க வா வான்றீங்க எப்படி?
சும்மா.
Okay. So my next question. You've sung in so many different languages, right? So which language do you think is like the toughest? It has a lot of nuances. Have you had any?
Yes, there is Malayalam. Malayalam is the most difficult, I feel like, yeah. For every singer, and I think it's the most difficult language of our country, I feel like. And there are certain nuances, certain letters which are really complicated and very detailed. Like there are different kinds of hras. There's a na, which is different. You have to twist your tongue sometimes, and it's a tongue twister. Yeah.
This is why I never go down that line to become singer.
Yeah. It's tough. It gets tricky.
Okay, so which is the easiest? Do you think?
Easiest for me would be Hindi because I was brought up in Indore, and Hindi is most widely spoken language there. After that, my mother tongue Marathi, which is, of course, it's, spoken at home, so relatable. And then after that, I would say Telugu, Kannada, Gujarati, Bengali, then comes Tamil, and then most difficulty level wise, Malayalam it has to be.
Okay.
Abhay, Abhay,
Yeah.
क्या मैनेजर साहब?
can
Huh.
we do Anandamo here?
Huh. But I'm not sure if she wants to take a Malayalam song, no?
I'll take anything you sing, sir. Sing.
Yeah.
If you can, yes. If you're able
Yep,
to.
let's
Okay.
do it.
Okay. All right. All right. But you have to request me, so we'll take it from there, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Then, sir, since you said Malayalam song is, tough for you, can we hear one song from you? Yes.
Absolutely. I would love to sing this song that I've sung for Vidyasagar sir. Yeah. ആനന്ദമോ പൊഴിയും തുഷാരമോ നീ എന്നിലെ ഒളിരായി വന്നതോ ഹേമന്തമോ പൊഴിയും തുഷാരമോ നീ എന്നിലെ പുലരായി വന്നതോ. Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. With music, that is the beauty. You don't need to understand the language to enjoy it.
Yeah,
If you notice, this is falling down because the glue is not good quality. But anyway, it's okay. Ignore it. My
Maybe
next
your mood
question.
is falling for me.
It's okay. It's okay. No, next question. If there is only one song that you have to listen to or sing for the
Okay.
rest of your life, which song will it be?
Yo, that's a
Kashtamappa.
very tough question. Ama. But I think it would have to be my Hindi break song Mere Naam Tu from Zero, which I have sung for Shah Rukh Khan. It was my Hindi break Bollywood debut. I think I can live with that forever because it's a very timeless melody and it's a very rare song. And they don't make songs like that anymore. So probably that one, yes.
Then please sing that also, no?
Yes, absolutely. वो रंग भी क्या रंग है मिलता ना जो तेरे होठ के रंग से हूबहू वो खुशबू क्या खुशबू ठहरे ना जो तेरी सांवरी जुल्फ के रूबरू तेरे आगे दुनिया है फीकी सी मेरे बिन तू ना होगी किसी की भी अब ये जाहिर सरेआम है ऐलान है जब तक जहां में सुबह शाम है तब तक मेरे नाम तू जब तक जहां में मेरा नाम है तब तक मेरे नाम तू जब तक जहां में सुबह शाम है तब तक मेरे नाम तू जब तक जहां में मेरा नाम है तब तक मेरे नाम तू.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा.
धन्यवाद.
You said mere naam. I forgot to change my name there. Okay, so I don't want to stress you up even further. But one more song for our Telugu audience.
Yes, absolutely.
Any song that you can remember?
Yeah, so from
Maybe
this film
Allai Allai?
called yes, Allai Allai.
I don't know if anything that you're comfortable
No,
with.
Allai Allai would be great. Yes, absolutely.
Okay. But that Allai Allai part I want to sing.
Okay. So I'll
Okay.
sing the beginning half and then you can do the Allai Allai, yeah?
Awesome, awesome.
ఆశగనందే నిన్ను చూడకుంటే శ్వాస ఆడినందే నిన్ను చూడకుంటే నన్నే మల్లెతిగలా నువ్వు అల్లకుంటే నిలువెత్తు ప్రాణం నిలవదటే.
అల్లై 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 నా చిటి చిలక జట్టై అల్లై 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 ఏమంటాలక చాలే అల్లై.
क्या बात है. Well done. So
Thank you. With this mustache is very difficult, and with a very handsome man in front of me like this, it's more difficult. But otherwise, I also destroy the bathroom like you know.
No. That was pitch perfect, and you did such a good job.
Thank
Well
you
done. We
so
should totally
much.
jam this together when I'm in Dallas next time.
Evidence. Everybody collecting evidence.
Yes.
Okay, eyewitness,
Yes,
ear
yes,
witness. Anyway, Abhay ji, it was a very, very great pleasure to talk to you.
Likewise. Thank you so much.
Both Dallas Danyalu and the girl Yashini inside me is very happy today. I'll go and work happily today. You have a very, very good day too. Thank you so much for your time.
You too. Thank you so much.
రేడియో సంగం తెలుగు గానం మాత్రమే